Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ken Morris. This is All Hardwood Floor Limited. We're up here in beautiful North Vancouver, rainy day, West Vancouver, North Vancouver. Beautiful. Look at the cherry trees flowering. Oh, nice. Hey, here's our dust containment system. We got one outside here, just all chained up together with another one inside. Have a nice look at this beautiful heritage house built by Bradner, I guess, back in the... We got this one dust containment system hooked up to another, and isn't this quite something, you know? Okay, make a connection, and then we carry on to the sander. This increases our volume, our suction, keeps the machines running cooler, and leaves us to do a professional's job. Look at that, some stain samples. Beautiful home, Vancouver, all hardwood floor.